Hey guys, how's it going? How to make an AI generated reels with InVideo AI. So go ahead to the official website of InVideo, right? And click generate video now. And you're gonna of course log in with your account and you're gonna be able to see the interface just like this, right? Now what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and type your prompt, okay? Let's say for example, I want to type a prompt, like a short one. Let's say warrior on a battlefield, right? Warrior in a battlefield. And you can go and create short video, make an explainer, create animated film, or use my script, right? You can use that as a leverage to basically create your own video, right? And in my case, I'm gonna use short video, right? And if you want to add background music, language, subtitles, whatever that might be for you, right? And language, which is English, right? And if you want to add voice actors, you can do that, right? In my case, I'm not gonna use it, right? Let's have, for example, the topic here, war, right? And then hit continue. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, right? About war, yeah. And then hit continue right here. You can generate, or you can use the tools right here, realistic animation on anime, in the duration, let's say for example 15 seconds, in the platform YouTube Shorts, right? So they will generate that, they will generate this video accordingly. Go ahead and hit continue and basically proceed with stock media, right? And hit continue. And now we're gonna wait for a few moments, and as you can see right here, you will see the video is being analyzed. Now as you can see right here, the video is ready to preview. You can just go ahead and open the app, and then you're gonna be able to basically download it, or you can just hit download with stock watermarks, right? Normal. And then hit continue right here. I'm gonna be able to watch it on my phone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.